never gave me something for the pain. They left me by myself to ease the shame. To cope with rationality, the outcome's quite the same. And like the wise men long ago, they try to keep me in the dark, to blind my eyes that I may miss the mark. The thought of death eternal give these madmen peace of heart.